Hey guys, I got a new massage tool. This one's called a FasciaBlaster. If you haven't seen my videos before, I do a lot of videos about chronic pain. Mine's due to about 40 years with thoracic outlet syndrome now, and also I had a 2-level lumbar spinal fusion going on 3 years ago now that I'm still recovering from. So just been working on my mobility for about 7 or 8 years now. So I talk about that a lot on this channel, you know, dealing with chronic pain and trying to recover my mobility. This is another tool I have. This one's called these are FasciaBlaster tools. This one's a mini too, I believe. This one's called a FasciaBlaster. I also have a longer one, but of the different massage tools that I've used, these are my favorite. I have some wooden ones. I have like a Theracane, different stuff, but I really like these FasciaBlasters. And I bought this one. This was the first one I bought probably, I'm thinking about 2.5 years ago now, after my back surgery, because I get a lot of tight muscles and knots in my legs and stuff, and I also get a lot of tight muscles and knots in my neck, my shoulders, my arms from, you know, the thoracic outlet syndrome. Now, I've been doing, lately been going and doing some of my mobility exercises like in the park or at the beach. You know, I'll go there and walk and do some of my mobility exercises, and sometimes my muscles will get kind of tight in certain spots, and so I was kind of wanting a massage tool that would fit in my pocket, and this one will fit in my pocket, but it's a little bit big, so that's why I bought this smaller one. Fits in my pocket a lot easier, and also you can see the little fingers on the ends here. These are a lot smaller, so they get kind of into little areas that these bigger fingers don't get. Now, when I first started doing self-massage, I don't know how many years ago it was now, maybe 5 or 6 years ago, I would just get really bruised after, because my muscles were just so tight and hard. They were just like almost like they were dehydrated or something, and they just hurt to touch. But now I don't get bruised very often, but I've noticed with this newer tool I'm bruising a little bit in some places, so that's good. That just tells me that it's these smaller fingers are penetrating kind of into areas that I wasn't getting with this bigger tool here. Now these are a little bit expensive. This little tool here was $60, and I think this one was $60 as well, but everything I do is self-care. I don't really go to therapists much or anything. I try to do everything myself, so if I can use these, like, you know, pretty much daily or pretty much whenever I want to use them, I really don't mind paying the money as long as I get good results from them, and I do get good results from these. I also do a lot of vacuum cupping, you know, where that leaves the purple marks. You put a cup on there on the tight muscle, and then you pump it up, and I do that a lot. I was doing it on my neck last night. I don't know if you can see any of these purple marks on my neck there. My jacket might be in the way, I don't know, but people always look at me funny. But I've had really good luck with the cupping and then using these things on tight muscles. They've worked really well for me. So just wanted to show you guys this. Like I said, what I really like about this is small, fits in my pocket. So when I go for walks or whatever I do, I can just take it with me, and I don't hardly even notice it's there. And then if I'm, you know, doing some mobility exercises and I get a little tight, I can just pull it out and, you know, work on that area with it. So far it's really working out well for that. I've had it for about 2 weeks now, I guess, and so far I like it a lot. Anyway, I'll put a link to Amazon if you guys want to take a look at this, and I guess that's about it for now. Thanks for watching, and talk to you guys next time.